Alright, got doing a little maintenance on some cooling today. Checking the cooling charge. Got 2 compressors. This one looks pretty good. I got 410A. Got a 40-degree coil. You know, the pressures look good. The condenser looks a little dirty. It looks like it needs to be cleaned. The belt looks good. Filters are new. You know, I gotta check my temperature split. Make sure I got a good split on it. Cleaning the condenser coil, that's, you know, and the evaporator too. If the evaporator is dirty, you know, we'll clean it or say something. Condenser looks kind of dirty, kind of hard to see through. It's good to clean them once a year at least. Yeah, but this one looks pretty decent. I'm checking the first stage right now. A new heat exchanger was put in this one not too long ago. It's always good to practice on them schematics. And you know, I'm still learning. Trying to, you know, get better and better on reading them. That'll pretty much, you know, help you locate everything and diagnose also.